Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for F1TV Error Code BM2203. As per our research, this error occurs when users try to watch replays of full sessions on F1 TV. Some users have reported that while highlights work fine, they are unable to access full replays of sessions like FP1 and FP2. This suggests that the issue is specific to certain types of content rather than the entire platform. According to our research, this error is likely caused by a temporary issue on the F1 TV servers. To deal with the problem, first, restart your device and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, check if you need to update the F1 TV app or your device's operating system. If updates are available, install them and check for the error again. If you still get the error after updating, then the issue is likely server-related. Based on our research, some users shared that they just waited and the error eventually resolved itself. So we recommend you do the same, wait for some time and try again. Alternatively, you can also reach out to F1 TV support for further assistance. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.